Here is our monthly financial overview template. So the basic idea for this template is we continue adding more transactions in this transaction tab, and then everything will show in this summary in the dashboard. Okay, so let's add something for now. Like we may add something for the April. Okay, let's see the dashboard first. For the month of April, we have 6,300 income. Let's add something. Product sales, online sales, like 700. It should be okay. So this is actually working properly, and I'm not sure how the error comes from, but yet let us explore more. Okay, so the base idea is we select month from here. Like if we select February, we have this dashboard will show data filtering from this transaction. Okay, so suppose we have currently probably we have data for April. Yeah, we have no data for the month of May. Okay, you can see you can just change the month and it will summarize the things. Okay, so for the month of May we may add more transaction for month of May, like April. Suppose what we can, again, for sales, like product sales, online sales. For example, like we add 1k revenue, and yeah, it's showing properly here. Okay, so maybe we can add a me we can add a like like software, maybe rent here. Maybe 500, and you can see expense is showing here. Okay, so this is how these things works. And maybe okay, so the basically everything works based on this one. Okay, so that's it. And yet let me know. Okay, hope you it's clear to you, but if you think I need more clarification, I will share happily share with you. Okay, thank you.